Hello everyone, it's Quoia Renae and I'm back with another video. I know it's been a while since I've given you all a hair tutorial, but this is a semi, hair tutorial, but not really, more like me just practicing, because this is definitely just practicing. This is actually my first time doing a sleep ponytail, and I'm doing it on my sister. My sisters always let me do their hair, will allow me to do their hair. They are like my hair models. And my second oldest sister is going to be my hair model. I'm going to let y'all know now, she did a lot of talking, she did a lot of moving around, she did a lot of gum chewing. So if you're somebody that kind of gets distracted by that, then I guess click away, or I don't know, try not to pay attention to it, because she did a lot of it. I mean, we're human, dang. But anyway, I just started off by blow drying her hair. I used the heat protectant, and I also, that's why I told y'all this is practicing, because I did a lot of things that I regret doing. I wish I wouldn't have not done it. The first thing that I wish I would have not done was use a heat protectant and then go in with an oil. It was a lightweight oil, but I wish I would have never used it. Like, I wish I would have used either a serum or just the heat protectant alone and nothing else, because I feel like when you do these sleep ponytails, the most important thing you want to do is make sure that you get your hair bone straight. That's another thing. That's stuff for 8, y'all. I should have never did that either. But my sister edges was super, super crusty and crispy, so I had to add some type of something to it. But I wish I wouldn't have done it. I wish I would have either just added like a little lightweight serum or tried to do something else other than that. Because when I went in with these products, it kind of made her hair wave back up. Adding an oil made her hair wave back up, especially with the edge control that I use. The edge control that I use, I really, really, really like this edge control. I'm going to tell you all about it in another video, because that edge control is the bomb. Like, I actually have an edge control video on my channel already, but this edge control, you can use it alone by itself, and it's the bomb, y'all. But I used an oil with it, and the owner of the edge control actually said any oils or any product buildup will make the edge control not work as well. So I wish I wouldn't have done that. And so for this part of the video, I actually started to go in with the beeswax. I sectioned her hair a lot, because I feel like that's the way for me that works best for me, so that I can make sure that I make her hair lay down as flat as possible. That's the most important thing when you're doing a sleep ponytail, is make the hair lay down as flat as possible. Once again, y'all, I have not been doing sleep ponytails for a while. This is literally probably my third time doing it. I've done it on my sisters 2 times before. I'm still in the learning process. I'm not a professional hairstylist. I just be doing these girls' hair, and I do mine. I'm just trying. It's practice, and practice makes perfect. So I'm going to keep on doing it, and I'm going to keep on making my errors until I find something that works for me. That's the best way to learn, and that's what I'm gonna keep doing. I'm going in with a brush and a skinny end comb to make sure I brush the product in and lay the hair down. I do not go in with the freeze spray until I'm done. And here, this is just me laying down her edges. I couldn't really get you all a full clip of it because of how my sister was turned. We were having deep discussions during this time of me doing this video, and it was hard for me to really get her to be in the camera, because look at all that talking, y'all. Look at her. She was passionate, She was real passionate about what she talking about. But anyway, I'm just going in with a blow dryer to lay down her edges and to lay down that product. And this is when I'm going in with the Got To Be spray, and I'm just spraying that down once I'm done with everything. The Got To Be spray I use to set everything in place. Now, I've tried to use the Got To Be spray alone, because I've seen some really, really great hairstylists actually on YouTube use Got To Be spray alone. But I tried doing that on me and my sister's kinky hair, and it did not work out. I don't know if I don't know what I'm doing or what, but it did not work out using that product alone. So I had to go in with something else to make our hair lay down. And this is what works, the beeswax and the Got To Be spray, because we have some kinky hair that we have to lay down. So I'm just, like I said, I'm going in with the blow dryer. This is the Silver Bird blow dryer that I tell you all about in all of my videos. I got it from Sally. Once again, for any new viewers, I got this blow dryer from Sally's, and I have it set on the cool setting, and I'm just molding her hair down and sleeking it in place for that ponytail. Now, I am not the best hair gripper. Even in my video when I did the half up, half down, when I tell y'all it literally took me 10 times to put my hair in a good ponytail, it took me 10 times. So to refrain from doing all that in this video, I asked my sister to do it herself because she's really good at ponytails. Like, she used to do them really good back in the day, but now she just done got lazy. And I'm just going in with these strips to make her hair lay down even flatter. I love these hair strips. They're going to make your hair lay down in place and firmly. I'm going to take some more of those hair strips because they're used for more than one thing. And they're going to serve today as just a protectant for her hair. Now, usually what I do is I braid the ponytail. I don't know why. I guess I was in a rush. My sister is always in a rush. Every time I'm doing her hair, she's in a rush. But I just started to wrap the paper around the ponytail. Braid it, y'all. Braid it before you wrap the paper around it. Don't be like me. And then I just used the glue to seal off the piece. No glue is on her hair. I repeat, no glue is touching her hair. It is only on the paper. So I'm just wrapping the weave ponytail around the paper, and I'm just going to continue doing that until I reach the top of her natural ponytail. By the way, if you all are already not, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Hit that like button and leave a comment down below of what else you all would like to see on my channel. And for this part, I just spray her hair with some Got To Be glue spray, and then I just wrapped it around, kept spraying Got To Be glue spray until I got it freezed into place. And I also used the turbo blow dryer for that as well. I didn't get that on camera because it has always taken me forever to do that. I mean, I could have sped it up, but I lost the footage. I then sprayed some Sebastian shaping spray on her ponytail, and I just did a regular flat iron process on her hair at this point. And then after that, once I was done, I clipped off the piece of that wrapping paper, and that was pretty much the finished look of this sleek ponytail. Like I said, I wish I wouldn't have used that oil because her edges would have laid a lot better. It wouldn't have looked as wavy because I've done her hair like this before, as I said previously, and her edges were not wavy. It was sleek, but it turned out wavy because I used that oil. I wish I wouldn't have done it, but it still turned out pretty decent. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll definitely be uploading more videos of me doing my sister's hair and not just mine, because I know you all would like to see me doing other people's hair. And I love you all. Make sure you all subscribe to my channel and click that like button and leave a comment.